So to make your own tinted eyebrow gel, all you need is some aloe vera and some cocoa powder. So this is my cocoa powder. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit of cocoa powder and add it to my aloe vera gel and just thoroughly mix it. Then I've got this. It's like a paste. Now I need my spoolie and just pick up a little on my eyebrow spoolie and just apply the tint. So do you see this? And this is aloe vera gel, cocoa powder. You can use coffee if you want a darker color. Because I like my hair a little light brown, I like to keep my eyebrows a little lighter. But if you want to go darker, you can, instead of cocoa powder, mix coffee. But this is your all natural tinted eyebrow gel. I'm going to seal this using a makeup spray. And if you don't have a makeup spray, you can just use a hairspray. That's also okay. But before I do that, I'm going to wait for this to dry, the aloe vera to actually thicken up and stick to my skin. So my eyebrows, the eyebrow tint is dried out. So I'm just going to go in with my spoolie again. Spray it with my makeup setting spray. And just set it again. So this was your easy DIY eyebrow tint made using aloe vera gel and cocoa powder for a medium brown tint. But if you want a darker brown tint, you can use coffee powder as well. Do let me know what you think about it and I'll come up with something more. Bye.